El. Wala kang ano ngayon. Babay daw. Wow! Come, Ciel! Come on, come on! Let's go to the lazy river, come on! Bye-bye, friends! See you later! We're going to the lazy river! What's your name? What's your name now? I'm Ciel. What's your name? Fatima. Hi, Fatima! What are you doing? Where? Go with Uncle Gab. Where? Show me. Nini, go put the tablet in your bag.
Yeah?
Wow! Ay, tinalas ka, kunin mo. Hold, Uncle Gab, hold. Hold, Uncle Gab. Look at the babies, oh. Look at the babies. Ate, come on. Ate, come on. Wow, Ciel is floating. You're floating?
It's floating.
Ate! Where's mom na? Punta kay Uncle Gab.
Slow down.
Oy, wait natin sila. Sabay-sabay tayo. Sabay-sabay tayo. Timanan mo. Kwanto ate Ciel? Ano yun? Ayun na, may makadaanan kayong ano. Ako Gab? I'll bring you somewhere, okay? Wala? Kaya nga. Kita mo nagsisama yan doon sa malait na ano eh. Wow! Floating, floating! Oo. Woo! Wow! Kaya nga, kasi di ba nang ano? Yan, may para Ciel! Si Cielo! Bubble! Why? Woohoo! Bubble tea! Blue! Your favorite color!
So what's my pink? I want pink.
Ciel!
Ano pa din lang ito?
Eh, kailangan may ganyan, no? Ay! Nabitawan mo na ang... Ah! Ciel is floating!
Let's go there, let's go there.
Let's go! Look at ang kagab, look at ang kagab. Come, Ciel! Oh, wag ako! Ay, Ciel, oh! Ciel! Ciel! May barati! Ayun na siya, oh! Hinalo na! Alay, hinalo na si Ciel! Ciel! Huwag lang, Ciel, oh! Wait, wait, wait! Are you okay? Okay. Wow! Kick your leg. Yeah, kick your leg. Wow! Ay, bracelet niya daw. Maybe in the bag? Okay, swim like that, swim na. Kick your leg, kick your leg. Kick your leg, yeah, like that. Floating, stay floating, like sleeping. Lay down, like sleeping. Maganda pa na tayo, kakalagaan mo lang ano. Kailangan mo na mag-float ka. Ikot. Hi?